Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Sorta. Today we're looking at another ore car. It's a CP Rail. It's called the Pac Man design because the little design there is on the Pac Man. I made some with different kinds of graffiti, different sacos, and I think there's two different or multiple ore loads. I had to see with at least two different ore loads, different shapes for the ore loads. And this is your basic simple design it's a one-piece design, prints upside down, micro train couplers go on the bottom, make sure they're nice and loose, and the graffiti's in the same color scheme as the rest, so it makes it sort of easy to print it out. Sacco on one side, in this case an obey. I like the obey graffiti, I've seen it in various places. Great movie, sci-fi. Anyway, not much to do about this one. Nice and simple train. I like ore cars. Make yourself an ore car. Like the Pac Man from Canadian Pacific Rail, CP Rail. Check it out on Colts. Get yourself a rail car. It's pretty easy to do in the bamboo. I'm sure you know how to do bamboo right now. If not, get yourself a bamboo. Good printer, good slicer. It's a free slicer too. Check it out on Colts. This was hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains. Made a quick video. It was insane, unlike the other video, which was also insane. This video was also not insane with the ending of the song.